Hi, this is Kaisar from Rank Ninja. Today in this quick tutorial, I will share a very useful things with you. So just watch this video from beginning to end so that you can have the full experience. Today's tutorial is going to be related to WordPress website. Maybe you are planning to launch a newsletter and you want to send a newsletter to all the users or customer of your WooCommerce website. Or maybe you want to send a newsletter to all the subscriber of your blog site. Or maybe you want to export all the user from another website and import it to your WordPress blog site or WooCommerce website. I'll show the most and free effective strategy to export all the email address of the user of your WooCommerce or WordPress blog website. So let's get started. I will show by exporting all the user from my demo website. This is my demo website to show you the method. So let's go to the WP admin panel and hit on the plugin section and click add new plugin. You have to install a new plugin for that. No worry, you don't need to spend a single penny. It's a free plugin. Just type export and you will find import and export users and customer. Just click install now. Anyway, maybe if you have 10 to 20 user or customer, then you can manually write their email address. But assume that you have hundreds of users, then it will be time consuming and difficult for writing the email address and first name, last name of subscriber or customer of your website. So this is very useful way to export the email address along with first name, last name from your website. Now just click activate to activate this plugin. Then navigate to tools and you will find import and export users. Today I will show how to export, so I will not talk with import, but I will make another video on how to import users in your WooCommerce or WordPress blog website. So I will show you how to export the user data. So navigate to export and then you may choose the role of the customer you want to export. Here there is available administrator, editor, author, contributor, subscriber, customer, shop manager, no role or all roles. And you may select the specific date. You may select the delimiter, comma is fine in this case, and you may convert timestamp data or date format, order fields alphabetically, double encapsulate serialized values. I don't need it. Alright, display serialized array as comma separated list of value. Actually, the main concern is to build an email list using the customer or the subscriber first name, last name, and email address. So the default option is enough. Now click download and it will take some time depending the number of user or subscriber of your website. It has been completed. I have 2 user in this website. So let's check this file. Look here, the user has been imported along with their user login or username. But here the user password table, this is the hash password actually, encrypted format for security reason. Anyway, I don't need this to build an email address. I need the user first name and last name and email address for building a email list. So in this way, you can make a email list and launch a newsletter for your website user or customer. So if you have any issue, you may write a comment on this video. So this is enough for today. Thank you.